Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So, if you've been a subscriber for a while, you will be aware of my slight obsession with all things glow-in-the-dark. Now, this is not purely an aesthetic want, it's also a kind of safety-orientated thing. So, not only does it look cool, it also allows me to potentially find my gear if I set it down at a camp, or perhaps it falls out of my pocket or something like that. Obviously some of this stuff is expensive, I don't want to leave it behind, and if I drop it or I put it down, I want to be able to find it again. Especially emergency equipment, so things like a rescue knife or a compass. I want to be able to find that quickly in the dark. So this is just a small assortment of some of my glow-in-the-dark kit. So I'll just turn the light off and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks so good! If you are a fan of glow-in-the-dark, please jump on my Instagram at survivaldads and tag me in some of your glow-in-the-dark kit, because I just love it. I can't get enough of it. I've even got a glow-in-the-dark Millennium Falcon. So thanks for watching, stay safe, keep on glowing, and I'll see you soon.